Now I'm standing here in front of the Neptun Alpha topside, which has now been completed and is getting ready to sail away to the Black Sea. It's a huge achievement and just a real reflection of the expertise, dedication, and collaborations of the teams that have made this possible.
We're going to take the topsides all the way around the Cape of Good Hope towards the Black Sea, ready for installation in July. We have a heavy transport vessel, the GPO Emerald, and she's going to sail that route for us and deliver her safely in the Black Sea.
Neptun Deep este cel mai important, cel mai mare proiect al Uniunii Europene de gaze, un proiect care va aduce securitate energetică României.
Vrem să livrăm acest proiect în deplină siguranță pentru 2027.
Este un pas esențial către etapa operațională a acestui proiect și către consolidarea rolului României în sectorul energetic european. Mândru că sunt român!
This is the loadout of the jacket. We've got a good structure here, we've got good materials engineering, we've got good welding, we've got good paint. The tow to the Black Sea is around about 12 days. We'll start from here, we'll go around southern Sicily, south of Greece, northwest of Turkey, through Istanbul, and then into the Black Sea.
We've got 4 wells drilled on the Pelican structure. Our first Domino well is complete.
În larg este deja vaporul Castorone, care e pregătit să înceapă să întindă conducta, cei 160 de kilometri.
Noi în spate avem șantierul pentru conducta Neptun Deep. Încă un moment foarte important din acest proiect. A început deja tragerea conductei pe sub plaja din Tuzla, utilizând microtunelul săpat.
The control room at NGMS is almost done. The NGMS facility itself is approaching handover in the next 2 to 3 months, so it's milestone after milestone.
Anul acesta un an foarte plin din punct de vedere al execuției. Toate părțile de echipamente care au fost realizate în diferite geografii încep să vină și să se asambleze ca un puzzle.
The rest of 2026, looking forward to it because we're going to see this thing installed in the Black Sea. We're going to see the wells getting completed. We're going to see the pipelines including. We're going to see the subsea infrastructure getting hooked up. We're going to see NGMS coming to a conclusion.
The project is more than just the steel. It's really about what it's going to do for Romania. It's really going to underpin the energy security of the country. It is going to bring economic contribution, and it is also going to help the stability of the energy supply of the region as well. So it really is a very important project for all of us. We are so proud to be involved in it, and I really want to thank all the teams and the partners that have got us to this stage. So proud to be part of it.
Bang for the finish line and on track for first gas in 2027.